Hi, I'm Ben Johnson, and I'm a former sex addict. Now, it wasn't always this way. Just 2 years ago, I struggled from severe erectile dysfunction that made getting an erection difficult and keeping one even tougher. And even when I could get one, I was never able to last very long at all. Which is why my wife and I stopped having sex altogether, and why she ultimately cheated on me, leaving me for another man who, according to all the gossip I heard from her friends, could drive her wild all night long. Okay, so how'd I go from a humiliated, newly divorced guy with severe ED and performance issues to a medically diagnosed sex addict, a guy who was sleeping with at least 10 new girls a month, and who had women literally begging to come over to my place? Because they knew I could keep it going all night long and give them the strongest, most powerful orgasms of their life? The answer isn't that I used any expensive ED medications, or herbal supplements, or penis pumps, or that I started working out a ton or eating super healthy. Instead, it was because of a few bizarre sexual energy techniques discovered inside a 3,000-year-old book, used by Asians for centuries to manage sexual problems, such as premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, as well as to skyrocket their libidos and enjoy more passionate sex in the bedroom. Secrets taught to me by a group of Buddhist monks in Thailand, none of whom had ever even had sex once in their life. And if that sounds weird to you, I completely understand. Trust me, I'm the last person on earth to believe in the power of energy or anything remotely new age. But all I can say is that since using these strange, ancient Buddhist techniques, my sex life exploded in a big, big way.
Hello everybody! Today I have a very special review for you. First of all, just let me say that this is such a lucrative product. It has just helped me tremendously so far. I made the right decision. The best part is you can reference and ask questions at any time to use this. Order today with confidence, and if you put this information to the test for 60 days and you don't see results, and if you feel that this product does not help you, you will receive 100% of your money back. So that basically means that there's nothing to lose. Before I went to this all purchasing process, I searched to find a discount, and I found a huge discount. Would like to get the same discount? It's a tendon in some money. Just go visit this link below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.